Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by securing the essential prerequisites: game updated, account logged in, and enough inventory space. Once done, travel straight to the stables region and interact with the stable master NPC to accept the stable trial quest. You must collect the initial horse token by completing a short tutorial race. This proves you can handle mounts. Make sure to follow the waypoint markers and use sprint bursts on straightaways to finish quickly. The token is essential to progress to the only way. Once you have the horse token, focus on the complex mid-phase, raising your horse bond to level 3 and accumulating the required stable credits. Ride daily, feed specific feed types, and complete 3-minute quests that test control, stamina, and trick execution. Then, combine stable credits with a ritual saddle and upgrade your horse token at the Tinker's Bench. This crafts the only way sigil. You do this because the sigil signals server systems to let you access the game mode. Don't skip any mini quest. The final step is activation. Equip the only way sigil in your accessory slot, mount your bonded horse using the ritual saddle, and ride into the portal ring at the stable's center. You'll be prompted to confirm activation, accept, and the game mode launches. If it doesn't start, first log out and back in to refresh permissions, then confirm you're on the latest game patch and that the server recognizes your upgraded token. If problems persist, check that your bond is level 3 and retry the activation sequence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.